all are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we again going to discuss 10 most important MCQ of chemistry. This lesson will be more important for the aspiring student who are preparing for SSC, CGL, UPSC, NDA, CDS and civil service prelims examination. Moreover, this lesson will help those aspiring students for any type of competitive exam where chemistry is necessary. Okay, so this is our first question. Which among the following is known as white vitriol? Zinc sulfate, option B है zinc chloride, option C है zinc phosphate, option D zinc oxide, and our correct option is zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, that is ZnSO4, and the option is option A. Next, move to the second question. This is our second question. Which of the following is a common salt in detergent? Option A sulfate, option B nitrate, option C sulfonate, option D carbonate, and our correct option is option A, that is sulfate. This is our question number 3. Which of the following is a major component of gobar gas? Option A butane, option B ethane, option C propane, option D methane, and our correct answer is option D methane. Methane, the symbol of methane is, formula of methane is CH4. Here you can see gobar gas or biogas is mostly methane. Moreover, carbon dioxide and may have some small amount of hydrogen sulfide, moisture and silicoxane. Okay, in gobar gas, methane is the main constituent. Moreover, there may be carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfate. This is our question number 4. What is in question number 4? Carnotite is a mineral of which of the following metal? Here is 4 metal is given. Option A lead, option B uranium, option C aluminum, option D iron, and our correct option is option B uranium. Okay, and uranium is a radioactive metal. Here you can see carnotite is a ore of uranium comprised of potassium, vanadium, water and few other essential elements such as calcium, barium, magnesium, iron, sodium, etc. It is yellow in color. Okay, and the main ore of uranium is, that is carnotite. You have to remember this, and this was a very important question for any type of competitive exam. This is our question number 5. What is the common name of calcium sulfate hemihydrate? First A option bleaching powder, option B salt lime, option C plaster of Paris, option D detergent, and our correct answer is option C plaster of Paris. Here you can see the explanation. Plaster of Paris is a calcium sulfide hemihydrate. The formula is CaSO4 half H2O, और इसको simply we can say 2CaSO4 into water. The powder is called plaster of Paris. Why? Because the gypsum which was used to get the powder mainly found in Paris, so this is famously known as plaster of Paris. Okay, next question. Highest percentage of nitrogen is found in which among the following fertilizer among the given option? Option A calcium ammonium nitrate, option B ammonium nitrate, option C calcium nitrate, option D urea, and our correct answer is urea. And what is the formula of urea? NH2CO NH2. Okay, and here you can see the amount of urea is 2, so urea is highest in this fertilizer. Nitrogen is highest in urea. Question number 7. Bleaching powder is a compound of calcium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, and as you know bleaching powder formula क्या होता है CaOCl2. okay, so therefore calcium is the main component of bleaching powder, so our correct answer will be option A, that is calcium. Here you can see the explanation. Okay, calcium oxychloride, it is known as calcium oxychloride. Okay, and it is a cleaning agent. Okay, this is our question number 8. Which among the following is quicksilver? Silver, that is called Ag, and here you can see 4 option. Option A, aluminium, mercury, lead, and zinc. Aluminium is generated by Al, mercury is Ag, okay, lead is Pb, and zinc is Zn. okay, among these 4, which is known as quicksilver? And our correct answer is option B, that is mercury. Mercury is known as quicksilver. okay, this is our question number 9. Kimberley process is related to which among the following? There is a process that through that process something is acquired. okay, option A, gold. Option B, diamond. Option C, semi precious stone. Option D, aluminium. And as you know, diamond is related with Kimberley process, so our correct option will be option B, that is diamond. This is our last question of today's lesson. Which among the following is fool's gold? okay, famous is known as fool's gold. okay, option A, copper sulfate. Option B, iron sulfide. C, brass. D, silver bromide. And correct answer is iron sulfide. okay, this was our last question. okay, if you need more this type of lesson, please do comment, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.